and I, K. Madhumita from the Student Council, on behalf of the college management, we take immense pleasure in welcoming you all to this ceremony.
Now, let us begin the ceremony on an auspicious note. Now, Ramya N. from Triply Department will sing the prayer song.
Shri Ganesha Charanam Gajanana Shri Ganesha Charanam Gajanana Devar Munivar Paniyum Dayakara Shri Ganesha Charanam Padam Nambum Ramadasa Varadane Padam Nambum Ramadasa Varadane Modaga Priyane Gauri Sudane Modaga Priyane Gauri Sudane Adidevanuna Dinnarulillaye Adidevanuna Dinnarulillaye Devanum Malum Cheiturilundo Devanum Malum Cheiturilundo Shri Ganesha Charanam Gajanana Devar Munivar Paniyum Dayakara Shri Ganesha Charanam 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 Charanam.
Thank you, Ramya. That was wonderful. Now, I request our principal, Professor Dr. S. Ganesh Vaidyanathan, to render the welcome address.
Thank you, Madhumita, and respected President of the Alumni Association, Mrs. Soumya Mahadevan, respected Executive Committee member, Mr. Arul, respected Treasurer of the Alumni Association, Dr. Janardhanan, and all the alumni faculty members, the members of the Student Council, and the current students who have joined today's meeting to receive the Budding Bright Engineer Award. A warm welcome to all of you and wish you all a happy Independence Day. I think today we are celebrating the 74th Independence Day. So normally the Independence Day agenda goes like this in our college. At 8 o'clock in the morning, we hoist the national flag in the presence of a chief guest, who will be chosen. A person from the staff council will be chosen as a chief guest, and subsequently around 10:30 or 11, we always have this meeting of alumni association. In the years, I think this meeting used to be quite big, and we used to call it as the annual general meeting of the Alumni Association, wherein we used to conduct elections, then select the office bearers, and it used to be, in fact, a bigger event with a little bit of sports activities for the alumni. The members used to spend some time in the college ground. They used to reminisce and they used to visit their classrooms, feel nostalgic, and it used to be a lot of fun. Subsequently, coming over to the college slowly decreased in number, and we shrink this function to only the giving away of the award, the Budding Bright Engineer Award, which is also instituted by the STCA Alumni Association. So this is a regular feature in our college. That on Independence Day, we give away this Budding Bright Engineer Award. And we have been getting some members from the council, that is the alumni office. And this year, I am happy to welcome Mrs. Soumya Mahadevan, who is the current president of the Alumni Association, to take part in this association and give away the awards. Prior to that, I would like to just give a very small briefing about the happenings that are taking place in the college. This we normally do on the day of AGM. to tell the alumni members about what is happening, what are the current trends as far as the college is concerned, and also, um, uh, because they come once in a while, right? Because everyone is very busy with their work, so they come once in a while, and they like to certainly know about what is happening. So in the first part of this message, I would like to touch upon that, and that may also give some information to the current students because they are actually away from the college for more than 4 to 5 months now. So I think it's good that I remind them that they belong to SVC, and tell them something about the college so that they don't forget the college. And secondly, to the students, that is the recipients of this award today, as what it takes to receive this award and what we expect from them. So I'll make it very brief so that we will be able to listen to Madam Soumya and whoever wishes to address on this occasion. To start with, from the college side, the college is closed down because of COVID, which is nothing surprising as far as this situation is concerned, because most of the organizations are closed down and government has not reopened the institutions. But one very important thing is that this year, in spite of the closure, we are starting two new programs in the college. One is called as the BTech in Artificial Intelligence and Data Sciences, and another program is it's a MTech program in Industrial Automation and Robotics. Both are identified as thrust areas by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. And Venkateshwara also, made an application to MHRD and to AICTE and all the approving authorities like Anna University. And I'm happy to inform you all that we've got the approvals, and we have in fact commenced the admission to these programs through the management quota. And shortly, the government also will be doing admissions through the Tamil Nadu Engineering Admissions. And so this is some very important thing that I wish to share with you all on a happy note. Otherwise, we are also eagerly awaiting the Anna University, circular regarding to make the 2020 batch pass out as early as possible, because those students are eagerly awaiting their end semester exam, that is for the 8th semester, and most of them have got their job offers and offers for higher studies. So we are looking forward to have some communication from Anna University, and we will be shortly conducting the exams for them. And as far as the juniors are concerned, that is third years and second years, the examinations are cancelled as per the government orders, and we are, however, working out the grades based on certain rules that are proposed by the university. And there is it is all governed throughout the India. I think the rules are going to be more or less the same, because they are all dictated by the UGC and the AICTE. Apart from that, I think we are poised to establish certain centers of excellence again in the area of robotics and industrial automation, which will enhance the learning experience in this MTech program in industrial automation and robotics. We are also planning to set up a center of excellence on electric and hybrid vehicles, which is going to be the future. And also the computer science engineering department, which is going to offer this artificial intelligence and data science, is going to also undergo a lot of upgradation so as to cater to the needs of the program. So with these few words, I would like to now go to the second part of my message, which will be addressed to the recipients of today's award, the Budding Bright Engineer Award. Budding Bright Engineer Award is considered to be a very prestigious award, right? Even many times I have seen in even when people rise to prominence after gaining a lot of experience and expertise in the field, they don't fail to project this award that they have got while they were in the college days. This I can find from LinkedIn and their other profiles. So though it is a small award in terms of monetary what do you call compensation or whatever, the prize money, but certainly it is very high in terms of its recognition and very motivating. Why? Because of the only reason that our Alumni Association is a very motivating forum. You can see from Madam Soumya's speech that you will come to know about what and all we do, and what we intend to do. I think the students can really gain a lot out of our Alumni Association. We have a strength of nearly around 20,000 now, and with many prominent alumni in different walks of life. And this award has been in existence for quite a long time. I think should be from the early 90s even. It is there. So we identify good students who who deserve to receive this award based on their academic performance, based on their economic standing and things like that. And I'm quite sure that this award will be very motivating and will make you explore some contacts with the alumni. As far as the alumni activities are concerned, we have been continuously many batches of alumni, they come forward to give sponsorship to the students. Even day before yesterday, I was speaking to the first batch alumni who was interested in renewing the sponsorship. So nearly 5 to 6 alumni members are covered. The full fees is covered by the first batch. Again, the 94 batch also has instituted a scholarship. Separately, scholarships are instituted in department-wise by many department alumni such as biotech. So I think there's a lot of things, and Soumya herself is actually planning for a lot of activities which will involve the three components, namely the college, the students, and the alumni. So a lot of things are on the anvil. I request the recipients of today's award to not only simply take this award and go away, but remember that there is one active forum called this Alumni Association, and they should come back. Even when they are students, I think you can actively take part in the activities of the Alumni Association, which will give you a lot of benefit. And even after passing out, I think you should still remember that you received the award, and so there is a very powerful entity behind it, and you should come forward to interact on a frequent basis, right? Please come as frequently as possible, as and when it is possible. So with all these online tools and other things available at our disposal, I think henceforth meeting together is not going to be a big problem. I think wherever we are, where in any corner of the world. Earlier, also these things were available, but we were not in a mindset to, really explore this because the need wasn't there. Now that thanks to COVID, in certain ways that, I think now no one can give an excuse for not taking part in the meeting, saying that I've got some, I got to go somewhere. I won't be able to come to college, or I won't be able to come to the venue of the meeting and all. I think it's a matter of sparing 1 hour or a few minutes of your time to at least, take part and acknowledge whatever, you had to say or whatever you had to acknowledge. I think this online facilities will certainly facilitate that. So the request to all the awardees is, while I wish to congratulate you, please don't go away, without turning back after receiving the award. Please, interact quite well with the association. The association has got a lot of activities within the college itself, like mentoring, like, so many things. To find out the possibility of interacting with the alumni, please get in touch with the department alumni coordinators, who will be able to guide you well and put you to some people in case you need any help or in case you need any guidance, right? So all those things are possible. In fact, from my own batch, I think my classmate one, Mr. Hariharan, He has recently identified a small group of 4 or 5 people whom he wanted to personally mentor. And when he found that one of the guys was very much enterprising, but unfortunately he did not have a laptop or some other gadget to actively take part in these kind of online discussions, he got another classmate of mine to sponsor him a laptop. Anyway, I don't mean to say that you should get in touch with alumni for sake of getting something in return. I'm saying that there is a lot of things, provided you show good interest and provided your interest is genuine. I think there is no limit to exploiting the that alumni association. I think we alumni, and at this point I would like to also disclose to you that I am also one of the senior most alumni members. That's why I'm taking so much time to talk about it. I passed out in the year 1991 from Electronics and Communication Engineering from our college. So I can certainly say that we are all very much, even when so many people come and ask me for some help, most of the times I say that, okay, let me find out if I can get you some help from the alumni association. So we are certainly, ready to help you all and to guide you and to take care of you. And you in turn should also, reciprocate all this when you pass out. And, so that, as a principal, I would like to say that the alumni is one of the important stronghold in establishing the reputation of the college. See, Venkateshwara's reputation, I would squarely attribute it to the reputation of the alumni. Does anyone will agree to this? And even the management is of a firm belief that this is what is the important reason for our reputation. Okay, I'm quite sure that this particular recipients also will be able to live up to this kind of whatever has been established by the alumni so far. And I'm quite sure that you will all really make use of this award and the contacts, and try to prove yourself. And I'm quite sure that you will all come up very well and uphold the name of the institution. So with these few words, I thank you all for being present here, and I also take this opportunity to thank the organizers, Dr. Janardhanan and Dr. Srinivasan, and all the other alumni coordinators who are here today, because again, students are there and the alumni are there. The bridge between them is the alumni coordinators. Some of them are our own alumni themselves. I thank you all faculty members, and also I thank Madam Soumya for sparing a valuable time and for being present here. So I take leave of you for the moment. I'll again stay back in the meeting for some time, and thereafter I'll take your permission to leave the meeting. So thank you all. Thanks for the opportunity.
Thanks a lot, sir, for your encouraging words. Now, I would like to call upon Mrs. Soumya Mahadevan, President of Alumni Association, to give us a special talk. Ma'am?
Hi, hello everyone. Good morning. I'm really excited to be here and to be a part of this Budding Bright Engineer Award ceremony. Yes, we would have all loved to come to the college, and like GD sir said, that was one of the special occasions that we would all be looking forward to as an alumni member, to come to the college on August 15th to kind of relive your college days and kind of connect back with the college. But I think the COVID situation has actually kind of allowed us to look at a new normal, where we are a lot more connected than we ever were. So in some ways, I think all of our alumni activities have actually picked up speed now during this online time, where we are having a lot more of online events. Whereas earlier we used to struggle to get alumni members to come and participate in any of those events. Now we are actually seeing a lot more of an uptake. We are doing a lot more online events, online fun events for the alumni members to connect with each other, and there's a lot more enthusiasm and participation. I think what it also means is we are now thinking about how to extend that as to the college, to the students. A lot of the alumni, including myself and including Arul who's here, and of course GV sir, we're all very proud that we have passed out of a premier institution like SVC. I think that's something that every one of us really holds very close to our heart. Personally, I have benefited a lot from my own standing as an alumni. I've been able to go back to other alumni members, whether it has been help with my personal situation or whether it's been help with a professional situation, it's a HR problem, it's a, how do I do this in my business and things like that. Because all of our alumni are placed in such senior positions that you will not have access to them otherwise, right? And so being a member of the Alumni Association instantly gives you that sort of like that card to be able to pick up the phone and talk to another alumni member. And all you have as an introduction is, hey, I'm also from SVC. Can you help me here? And I think that's such a powerful thing, because SVC being a very premier institution, a lot of our alumni members are C-level executives. They're all like, either running their own businesses or in very, very senior positions in very large companies. And I think the current students really need to realize what a valuable forum this is and come back and be a part of it, right? And not for giving back, but it's more for what you can take out of it as well. Because how much you can network with the people who have passed out of SVC prior to you, what you can get out of it, how you can contribute back to the batches that will pass out after you. I think that's something that I would encourage all of the current students to actively think about. I think we can confidently say that compared to a lot of the other engineering colleges, the Alumni Association of SVC is probably one of the most active. My husband went to SRM. I hardly hear anything about alumni over there, and I don't think several other institutions have such a have. I'm sorry.
No, madam. You proceed, madam.
Yeah, not many other institutions can boast of such a an active alumni association that SVCE can. So I think we are really looking forward to, from the Alumni Association, we're looking at how to better use the current situation to see how we can bring more of the alumni together with the college. Several of them have come back to me and said, hey, how, I would like to do a webinar. What do I do? I would like to mentor people. How do I go about it? I would like to donate. And so there's a lot of alumni who are interested in doing it and is interested in giving back, interested in connecting back with students, either through job opportunities, through sponsorship, through internship opportunities. So there's definitely a lot of interest coming from the alumni. And I think in the Alumni Association, we're just looking at how to put together a nice framework that we can bring more of all these three parties together and ensure that we make the most. I think we all belong to a very special network, and we should realize it. We should make use of this particular forum. And congratulations to all the award recipients of the Budding Bright Engineers. Kudos to you guys, and keep it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, Soumya.
Thank
you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Now, I request Dr. Janathan P., Treasurer of Alumni Association, to announce the award winners. Sir, please.
Okay. Good morning, one and all present here. The association is pleased to announce the selected candidate for the Budding Bright Engineering Award for the academic year 2020-21. The award comprises of a cash prize of rupees 2,500 and a certificate of merit. 2 huge students for each department are selected based on their first year academic performance and economic needs. The award aims at motivating the students to maintain a consistent academic performance throughout the degree. The following is the list of second-year students selected for the Budding Bright Engineer Award for the academic year 2020-21. The association wishes them all success in their future endeavor. Just a minute. Bennett Joseph D. from Automobile Engineering, Solayappan SP from Automobile Engineering, Ajay K. from Biotechnology, Rajati R. from Biotechnology, Tarun Kumar S. from Chemical Engineering, Karan Srivam K. from Chemical Engineering, Astavatri B from Civil Engineering, Yamalata R from Civil Engineering, Jivika J from Computer Science and Engineering, Vasant B from Computer Science and Engineering, Gayatri B from Electronics and Communication Engineering, Kirtana M from Electronics and Communication Engineering, T from Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Vinodini B.S. from Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Girish Kumar S. from Information Technology, Neha M. from Information Technology, Kishore Velu from Marine Engineering, Kamilarasan C. from Marine Engineering, Rishikesh J. from Mechanical Engineering, and Joshua Praveen R. from Mechanical Engineering. Thank you all.
Congratulations to all the winners. Now I request all the award winners to say a few words. Let's start with Bennett Joseph of Automobile.
Hi, I'm Bennett Joseph. I'm currently pursuing my second year degree in automobile engineering. I first of all like to thank God Almighty for helping me get this award. And secondly, I would like to acknowledge all the staff members who helped me get this award, and the institution, because of the facilities and the staff with all their knowledge and wisdom who helped me and guide me through this process in getting here. I believe that the institution is doing an amazing job in bringing up model engineers, and the Alumni Association itself is evident proof of what the institution has been doing for a really long time. And that gets me to the Alumni Association for making this possible, for creating this platform and a forum to encourage the students who are currently pursuing their degree to perform well and to keep doing what they're doing and grow in it. So I would like to thank everybody who's been a part of this process. So yeah, thank you.
Next, can we have Solayappan of Automobile Engineering?
Hi, I'm Solayappan from Automobile Department. I'm very glad to be a part of this event, and my heartfelt thanks to our principal and alumni members and our faculty members for giving this opportunity. Once again, thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, we have Ajay K from Biotechnology.
Hi, I am Ajay from Biotech Department second year. I would like to thanks to the principal sir, SVG management, HOD sir, and faculty members, and thanks to you all.
Now we have Rajeshri from Biotech.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Rajeshri from Biotech. I'm currently doing my second year. Thank you so much for this award. I'm truly honored to receive it. My special thanks goes to our principal, Alumni Association, and HOD and faculty members of Biotech Department. I certainly admire that to present the award to me, and thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Rajeshri. Next, we have Tarun Kumar from Chemical Engineering.
Firstly, I would like to thank my parents for always believing in me and supporting me. Secondly, I would like to thank my teachers for filling me with enormous knowledge, ambitious thoughts, and for always being the best guide. Then I would like to thank SVCE for giving me this great opportunity to excel in my life and showcase my potential. I would also like to thank my best friends for always keeping me motivated. Finally, I would like to thank God the Almighty for always showering His blessings on me. I would like to thank SPC Student Council for giving me this prestigious award. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Tarun. Next, we have Sarang Srikanth from Chemical Engineering.
Good morning to all. I'm Sarang Srikanth. I would like to thank SVC Alumni Association for presenting me this award. I would also like to thank all my teachers and faculty advisors for their persistent support and guidance throughout the course of first year. Finally, I would also like to thank the college for providing such a wonderful environment to study and progress throughout the course of 4 years. Thank you.
Next, we have Harshavardhani from Civil Department.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Harsha Vartani, studying second year civil engineering. I feel extremely blessed to be receiving this award. First, I would like to thank our principal, all the professors, and the HOD of Civil Department, Kumudha ma'am, for the kindly support and guidance. Then, I would like to thank my faculty advisors, Ruby ma'am and G. Arun sir, for supporting me always. And finally, I would like to thank the Alumni Association for this wonderful opportunity and recognition. Thank you all.
Thank you. Next, we have Hemalata from Civil Department.
I'm Hemalata from Civil Department. I'm very glad to deliver my speech on such an important and momentous occasion in my life. It's a huge honor for me to receive this award. First, I would like to thank my parents because they instilled me with a strong passion for learning and for doing everything possible. After that, I would like to thank Principal Sir and HOD and all my faculty members. Thank you for emboldening us. Their positivity and encouragement brighten my days. At last, I would like to thank Alumni Association for presenting this precious award. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, we have Vasant P from Computer Science Department.
Hi all, I'm Vasant from Computer Science Department. I was proud to believe that the hard work and dedication will never betray me, and I think those efforts have brought me this award. I'm very happy, and I would like to thank the college management and the SVC Alumni Association for presenting me this award. The faculties and the HOD were very supportive in my journey from the day one, and I would like also thank my parents for supporting me. And thank you.
Thank you, Vasant. Next, we have Jeevita J from Computer Science Department. Jeevita? Jeevita, are you there?
ஜீவிதா பேசுங்கம்மா. மைக் ஆன் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. மைக் ஆன் பண்ணிட்டு பேசுங்க. ஜீவிதா.
Okay.
Jeevita, please talk.
She said 1 minute, sir.
Okay. மதுமிதா அதுக்குள்ள வசந்த பேச வச்சிருங்க. ஜீவிதா அடுத்தது பேசணும்.
Okay, sir. Jeevita, just switch on your mic.
Sorry for the inconvenience. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Audible.
Good morning, all. It's a pleasure to be here at the Budding Bright Engineering Award. Thanks for all being here. It's so humbling and frankly exciting to be up in this position. I really want to thank our management and Alumni Association for selecting me for this award. I really like to thank my faculty advisor, Dr. T. Janathanan sir, who has been the driving force since my first year, and also the faculties of Computer Science in the Engineering Department. I also want to thank my family who kept me up as always. And I would just like to make a comment that I will make our college more proud. And once again, thanks a lot for this award.
Thanks a lot, Jeevita. Now, I would like to call upon Gayatri from Department of Electrical and Communication Engineering.
Good morning to all present here. I am Gayatri Balaji from second year EC Department. I feel very much honored to receive this Budding Bright Engineer Award. First of all, I would thank the SVC management and the Alumni Association of SVC for honoring me with this prestigious award in the midst of this COVID pandemic. I would like to thank my parents for supporting me all these years. and giving me an opportunity to do my UG degree in such a prestigious university like SVC. I would like to thank my HOD, Dr. Muthukumar sir, my faculty advisors, Sarla ma'am, Satish Kumar sir, for guiding me the past year. I also thank my friends and family for supporting me. I take this as an opportunity and I'm looking forward to receive more such awards from you. Thank you, sir.
Sir, Vasant has already completed, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Gayatri. Now we move on to Keetana from Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Good morning, everyone. I'm M. Keetana from Chennai, studying Electronics and Communication Engineering. I'm extremely honored to be receiving the Budding Bright Engineer Award for this year. This is a very special and momentous occasion in my life. Thank you for recognizing me and my efforts. First of all, I would like to dedicate this award to my parents, without whose support winning this award would not have been possible. I would also like to extend my sincere gratitude to the management and the Alumni Association of Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering and the faculty members of Electronics and Communication Engineering Department and all my friends. This award will definitely motivate me to achieve more success in the future. Thank you.
Thank you, Keetana. Now we have Sri Hari from Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Sri Hari R of AAA Department. I am very happy to receive this Budding Bright Engineer Award, which is given by Alumni Association every year for UG students. And I express my sincere gratitude for HOD, faculty members of AAA Department. And I always pledge my support for the Alumni Association for all their future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you, Sri Hari. Now we have Vinodini from Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering.
Myself, I am VS Vinodini and I am studying second year Electrical and Electronic Engineering in our college. I am very proud to receive this award and I am also very happy. And I thank my parents for supporting me, and I also thank my friends too. And I also thank all the department faculties, HODs and principal for choosing me for this award. And I also thank the Alumni Association for giving me this award.
Thank you, Vinodini. Now I call upon Girish Kumar from Department of Information Technology. Girish Kumar?
Sorry for inconvenience. Good morning to all. I am Girish Kumar from IT department. It's been a pride to receive this Budding Engineer Award from the SVC Alumni Association. I would like to say a few words about SVCE. I think SVCE never fails in the attempt of motivating the students and making opportunities to them. This is one such kind of motivation for me to achieve more in my upcoming years. Thanks to my department HOD ma'am, Dr. V. Vidya. Thanks to all the faculties and to the principal, to the SVC Alumni Association. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Girish Kumar. Now I call upon Sneha from IT department.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Sneha. I'm currently pursuing my second year Information Technology. I would like to thank the principal, HOD of Information Technology, SVC Alumni Association, and all the faculty members for giving me this award. Thank you all.
Thank you, Sneha. Now we have Kishore Velu from Marine Engineering.
Hi everyone, I'm Kishore Velu from Marine Engineering. I feel immensely pressured to receive this award. I firstly thank the Alumni Association for such a motivation. I also thank the principal and my department HOD, S. Krishnan sir, and I also extend my gratitude to all the teaching and non-teaching staff of my department, and also I thank my parents for motivating me. Thank you all.
Thank you, Kishore. Now I call upon Tamilarasan Chinadurai from Marine Engineering.
Good morning, everyone. I am Tamilarasan, studying second year Marine Engineering. I am very happy nominated for this award. I thank all the faculties, HOD and alumni. Thanks to everyone who gave me the opportunity to speak. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Tamilarasan. Now I call upon Rishikesh from Mechanical Engineering.
Good morning, all. My name is Rishikesh, belonging to Mechanical Department. I'm very glad and happy to receive this prestigious award, Budding Bright Engineering Award, announced by the SVC Management and Alumni Association. And I'm thanking the entire team for the same. And my heartfelt congratulations to all my friends who received the same. Thank you.
Thank you, Rishikesh. Now, finally, we have Joshua Praveen from Mechanical Engineering.
Good morning to all. I would like to thank God Almighty for bestowing this award on me. And I would like to thank the principal, the college management, and the Alumni Association for rendering this award. And I would like to thank all the faculties without whom this event would have not been upheld in this pandemic. Thank you to all.
Thank you, Joshua. Hearty congratulations to all the award winners. Thank you all. Next, we will go ask feedback from parents. I kindly request the parents of Bennett Joseph to say a few words.
Good morning to one and all. First of all, I want to thank the Almighty, especially our Lord Jesus, for giving my son this grace, and we are very humbled to receive this award from the college. And next, I want to thank the principal and especially the faculty members of the Automobile Engineering Department. So, I would say that especially the faculty advisors have been, like whenever we had an inquiry or anything we asked, immediately they would respond. And we are glad that our son is studying here in SVCE. And also, I want to thank the Alumni Association for motivating the students and giving this award. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Now, I kindly request the parents of Gayatri to say a few words.
ஹலோ காயத்ரியோட அம்மா பேசுகிறேங்க. அனைவருக்கும் சுதந்திர தின வாழ்த்துக்கள். ஃபஸ்ட்டு என்னோட பொண்ணோட கடின உழைப்புக்கு கிடைச்ச வெற்றியை அதை நான் பார்க்குறேன். அனைத்து மாணவ மாணவியர்களும் இது வாங்கின அனைவருக்குமே நன்றி தெரிவிச்சுக்கிறேன்.
Thanks, ma'am. Now, I request the parents of Hemalata from Civil Department to share a few words.
நன்றி சார். என் மகள் இந்த அவார்டு வாங்க ரொம்ப மகிழ்ச்சியாக இருக்குது. ரொம்ப நன்றி சார்.
Thank you, sir. Now, I kindly request the parents of Jivita from Department of Computer Science Engineering to share their feedback.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் மகள் இந்த அவார்டு வின் பண்ணதுக்கு எனக்கு பெருமையா இருக்கு. இந்த காலேஜ்ல எல்லா வசதியும் இருக்கிறதுனால இந்த காலேஜுக்கு நன்றி தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். வணக்கம்.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Now we have, I kindly request the parents of Joshua Praveen to share a few words.
First of all, I would like to thank our Lord Jesus Christ for this award, and then I would like to thank the principal of SVCE and the Alumni Association for rendering this award to my son. I would like to congratulate all the award winners in this moment, and I would like to thank the faculty members who are the cause for this success. And this is great encouragement for the student to achieve further greater heights. Thank you.
Madhu?
Yeah, sorry. Thank you, ma'am. I kindly request the parents of Tarun Kumar from Chemical Department to say a few words.
Hello, my name is Jyoti. I'm Tarun Kumar's mother. I'm so excited now because of the situation I'm facing this actually. Thank you so much for this Alumni Association and recognizing my son's efforts and assuring him the prestigious award. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. I kindly request the parents of Kishore Velu to say a few words.
Hi, good morning to one and all present here. Kishore never fails to feel proud as. So I thank the Alumni Association for making this happen. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. I kindly request the parents of Vinodini from Triple Department to say a few words.
பேர் வெங்கட சுப்பிரமணியன். எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். என்னுடைய டாக்டர் வந்து இந்த மாதிரி அவார்டு வாங்குறது ரொம்ப பெருமையா இருக்கு. எல்லாருக்கும் ரொம்ப நன்றி.
Thank you, sir. Next, I kindly request Girish Kumar of IT department parents to say a few words.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். எங்கள் பையன் இந்த ப்ரைஸ் அவார்டு வாங்கினது எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பெருமிதமாகவும் சந்தோஷமாகவும் இருக்குது. இதே மாதிரி எல்லா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டையும் ஊக்கப்படுத்தினீங்கன்னா இதை விட ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கும். அலுமினியம் அசோசியேஷனுக்கும் பிரின்சிபாலுக்கும் ரொம்ப நன்றி. சுதந்திர தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Thank you, ma'am. Next, I kindly request the parents of Ajay K from Biotech Department parents to say a few words.
Hello. மேடம் ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் மேடம். அந்த அவார்டு கிடைச்சதுல ரொம்ப பெருமையா இருக்கும். ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ் எல்லாருக்குமே.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, parents. Now, that marks the end of Budding Bright Engineers Award ceremony. On behalf of the students, I would like to thank our dear principal, Dr. Ganesh Vaidyanathan, for constantly motivating and encouraging the student community. I also convey my heartfelt thanks to the Alumni Association for this great initiative and making this event happen even during the pandemic time. I would like to extend my thanks to all the HODs, parents, Alumni Association members, faculty for taking your time to attend this ceremony. Once again, hearty congratulations to all the award winners. Before we conclude, I request you all to rise up for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Thank you all for participating in this event. So your mic is off, sir.